Pangalan ma burial service sila ni Meking ma Mering Eric kuya Eric Le halu si nga ma pinasayan Halloween viewing tam na halu na photo si napa pangalan ma ipagpag ma isa ko nga Mary ma weird make you're on the phone. Papangan le pagpakiwaya. Ngavaktar yan Arslan may kusay pagpag. Malim tari na kimalim itiki na kimalim itiki ba. Nafalok na na inka lamakal tigini siyentila Josie and Brooke Steve. Alik natal tigin Wilfred ma napa me Mariel wangin le ay pagpag masingi Marchlin kos masingi kavan talking in katsum nagi viewing service lalas Ricky viewing service like Ricky and locally Union Church. That's home the way. Some the pattern again service viewing service. Nakat kafalya nagi pelin ne ganti mamutai ucap liya. Ulagat somewhere ni pa ay nakat suwon hospital na ni Kanaway Cemetery may kuma tala na kay masin ni may kusay na phone na pa kami so na line up pasto sa so yan kantain sing itakka kantai ke kajaklan significan lama kanda witaka so nali gatson na wala yut si stone sila significan la nagachi sa kidin wala ke benasa kadwala mai pangai priority sila kimalim sini March Linacos 2022 Apa nakaka kita masing service ng American kala ipat kala sing Yaran tem tanan sing shook me masing around live broadcasting Zapa Kulukoye Meta shukeni dahil na kasong broadcast Aqui da kasano ama servicing em tawag yaw lu so now lu am tayo fat totoo yun Mary de Pagpakuya. Banangat kali. Servicing recline siya Servicing recline siya tayo na ka. Ipat-pat ka na siya Purok mo pa. Pagpakili Makila siya. Oh, hell na pa naman. Side sila. Aka, layan lang. Sesina Hoy, una. Aramdan singe shuok. Ilma kaalem gata. Like in ye. Shaka. Shaka man. Oh, that's so great. That's all the talent. Oh, all night with the talent. All money. Okay.
Jadi mo ito kag tapan kinucap lang ano la alo mortuary rela potential kilo yok nan siya what it was we got you say a chance like then we go there ini isap lang sila ni pan na siya dito na ipagaki ya plan mortuary ake sewa ni tala alo mortuary rela potential plano si was skandal din tikat magana na was guys kita mortuary sabi was elected ya si the chance la si kaman na kita katena show ni si na kayo katena ikasa si cash ala si was always ni siya ale ni siya wala yun sa laman lang are they going to roll? They're going to say rules, but it's not scary. No, it's scary. Siguro ko, muguli si Sir. You're amazing. 1, 2, 3. Please. Betul dengan meninci apa? Right, we walk all the way out. Kita value nang sing. Okay. Ready? Up. You okay, Mark? Oh yeah, I'm good.
You guys sad? Who are you? You guys are sad?
Yeah. Yeah, we're just watching.
Who's this girl with you?
Leonie.
Who's
Ellery's daughter.
She looks like Ellery, right?
Yeah. What are they gonna do?
They're gonna, well, they're gonna put the dirt over the thing. They're gonna put the dirt over the thing, and then, well, before that, they're gonna close it. You know that thing, they can bring it up.
What?
The casket, they can open it and bring it out.
Really?
Yeah, because there's like two on top, one on top of each other, yeah? So they can remove one and then they can come back and open. Yeah, this is different. Yeah. I don't know if they're gonna put the dirt on top of that. We'll find out. Oh yeah, they're just gonna close that thing. Yeah.
Scary. like Eric. I'm looking.
Kamay dari singen. Mamata siya. Oh. What is your name? Oh my God.
Another shoe.
Shoe siya.
Shoe.
Oh. Natuloy na si Pangapay Charlie lang. Oh, tuloy na napay Charlie lang. Hello. Para ko, kato yan. Nay, hindi ko yan. Iya sila dikiyak ma. Yeah. May, let it go. Your mom thinks she's on the room, man. Mama, mata siya ba kung dataku, correct shoe, maala yan. Is that nice nga? Mo, kumame, kita, men sis po na. Kita song din daw sila ng correct ma.